If you want to get the result where other people not get, do the things they don't want to do. When they call sick, if they do that thing, the guy is strong, the guy they try you because they said they fear to do that thing. If you say my advice they change life, my advice not change your life. It's what you do with the advice. Now why do I not even get keep information again? I feel share the knowledge with you, but will you go and practice it? No. Not everybody sabi do. I know many people go save things for their phone, they go save them, they go read motivational quotes, they go post up for their WhatsApp, but they are not practicing those things. They don't post motivational quotes for WhatsApp, but are they practicing them? No. The motivation way they post not go change your life. Now what do you do with the motivation? Action. Eliminate fear. Fear they keep you down. Your fear of being embarrassed. They go embarrass you. What people go talk? What people hear now, they call they see me. Bro, how people see me not really concern me like that. I see myself is the most important thing in life. You get all these things now.